Okay, so what I'm going to show first is called the zombie drill, and then off the zombie drill we're going to do the parry to the body kick. And the purpose of this drill, it's very important that the zombie for beginners is slow and backs out plenty, because this is a timing drill. So the zombie needs to be slow and lethargic, and you'll see what I mean. So here we go. Okay, in the next part, I'm going to show it. We'll throw slow 1-2s as the zombie. This is for the more advanced students to get a feel of what a tired opponent looks like coming at them. As you can see, as the zombie, I moved very far back, so to give Alberto a chance to set up and practice for his timing. You can move a little bit faster the more advanced the students get, but the idea is really for the eye to judge the distance and know when is the right time. So starting off slow to train the eye is really the important part.